Hello, I am Richard Court and I'm the training manager for Laufen Bathrooms in the UK. And this is my 90 seconds with KBB Ark. Laufen is a Swiss bathroom manufacturer with 126 years of history, of innovations, inventions and collaborations with some of the top market leading designers within our industry. Consumers thought shower toilets were ugly, very complicated and unhygienic. So when we launched ours 2 years ago, the first thing that we spoke to Peter Wirz about, our Swiss designer, was it had to look like a normal toilet pad. So Riva is extremely simplistic to use. You have a wireless button on the side that you simply press. The shower arm will then come out and wash you. You can turn the pressure up and down, also on the wireless controller, or even move the arm backwards and forwards and then turn it back off. So what else do we have on Riva here? We have an extractor that takes the odours away from around the toilet. It's also rimless. You have a light on the bottom, a night light that also will flash and indicate if the appliance needs to descale. We have a built-in descaler. So that's my 90 seconds with KBB Ark. If you'd like to find out more about Riva, please look on our website, which is www.laufen.co.uk.